Hi, welcome to the Bubble Critic tutorial video series. This is the first video in the series where I will show you how to install the Bubble Critic forums. I will show you how to install into two different website builders, how to install into WordPress, and how to install into your website manually. So first, we will go to this website builder, Weebly. Here we have a multi-page website where normally there's 3 pages, but I've added this fourth one, forums. I want my forums to be right here on this page, so I will go to Build and select this Embed Code component. I click and drag it over here, and now I can put custom HTML into this web page. So let's get the HTML that we need. It's back at the Bubble Critic website. If you were here at the Bubble Critic main page, you would click on Install Forums. That takes you here, and then on any of these Install Now buttons, you click on it, and here's the HTML that we need. So I will click on Copy. It is copied to my clipboard. Go back to Weebly, click here, Edit Custom HTML, and I will paste it in. That's the code we need. Click outside the box, and now it's there, but for some reason Weebly likes to flicker like this, so let me just reload the page. Go back to the forums page, and there it is without the flicker. So you will see it tells us to publish and then go to our live site. So let's do that. We'll publish. And we will go to the live website. This is what it looked like before I installed the forums, but now I will refresh. And there you go. Our forums are installed. Now after you install your forums, you just follow the text and all the tutorial messages to set up your forums. But setting up the forums will be in the next video. This video is just about installation, so let me move on to installing into another website builder, the GoDaddy website builder. So here's the GoDaddy website builder for this single page website, and I want to put the forums right here down at the bottom of the page. So I click Add Section, and I will search for HTML. And this is what I want, this custom HTML component. Click Add. So now we have this box for our custom HTML. Put the code right here. Again, it's already on my clipboard, so I will just paste it in. And this shows us that it's been installed properly. Now again, we need to publish. And then we'll go to the live website. See, let's scroll down. See, there's nothing here yet. We will refresh. And there we go. There's our forums. So that's how to install into a website builder. Whether you're using Wix or Squarespace or something else, there should be a similar method to add custom HTML to your web page. Now we will move on to the WordPress installation. So there are 2 ways to install into WordPress. Well, I guess 3 ways. You can do the whole custom HTML thing again, like I've just showed you with the previous 2 website builders. Or you can go back to this Bubble Critic page, click on Install Now, click here, and then download the plugin and install it manually, put it into your plugins folder. But there's an even easier way. So let me close this. Come back here, we go to our plugins, and then we go to this Add New, and we will search for Bubble Critic. Here's the Bubble Critic Forums plugin. Install now. And now we can see that it's added to our plugins. We activate, and then go to the page that we want to install it. I have this forums page that I've made. It's just a real plain, simple page. And we just click on this plus button, and now we scroll down to this embeds section, and it should be the last item here. Here we go, Bubble Critic Forums, just click it, and now it's installed. And then just like the previous 2 examples, we would update, publish it, and then go to the live website, where we could then begin setting up our forums. But now let's move on to the manual installation. Okay, so I've made this real basic page here. Doesn't really have anything in it. Let's look at the code for this page. Again, it's very simple. But right here, we have this div set up, and this is the div that we want our forums put into. So again, with that same code, we will paste it in, and we will save it, go back to the website, and refresh. And now it's installed. Okay, so that's how to install the Bubble Critic forums. In the next video, I will show you how to set up the forums. Thank you for watching.